It's one of the main points of your book, I think, that the state shouldn't enforce punitive measures on women for their reproductive choices when they are not given adequate support to make other choices.
Exactly, that we're holding women accountable for healthy reproductive outcomes without providing them the support that they need to ensure those outcomes. And in fact, we expect women to guarantee the safety and health of their child when in fact we do not guarantee those women that same safety and health.
But to play devil's advocate, from the point of view of your critics, don't you think, for example, it's reasonable to expect a mother to avoid using illicit drugs while pregnant?
Okay, for starters, just because someone uses illicit drugs, even if she's addicted to them, that does not automatically make her an incompetent or unfit parent. Also, it is not the role of the criminal justice system to be it's about the criminal justice system, as I said before, is supposed to be enforcing the law, not enforcing standards of what we think a good mom should be. Moreover, a woman's right to be a parent, a woman's right to her reproductive rights do not disappear when she's locked up, when she's addicted to drugs, when she's being battered. And I think that's a very important point for us to remember.
But on the pregnancy question, if a woman is addicted to crack and it's determined that so-called crack babies are born with serious medical conditions, isn't that more than a social judgment of bad mothering? Isn't that really inflicting an actual physical harm on the child, which maybe is a matter for the criminal justice system?
Okay, Brian, one of the things I would point out is that so much of the hysteria over crack moms, and we're now saying the so-called meth moms, was based on junk science. The evidence in no way, shape, or form suggests that when a woman uses an illicit drug during her pregnancy, that it will result in irreversible and inevitable harm. So I think we've seen a lot of bad policy, a lot of bad actions done under the name of, looking out for these children, which was based on junk science. The empirical, good medical research just does not support that conclusion.